Hello friends, we are filming volcanic eruption in Iceland from the slopes of a Little Rim mountain. No rims here, I haven't seen a single one, but for some reason they call it a Little Rim. But I saw many rims when I hiked from the lake here. And they are not very friendly, I would say. There are lots of rims across the valley. I mean, on the other side there, in those ridges, they sheep and ram. But this is how Volcano looks today on July 31st. And we are filming here a bit from behind the rocks. It's a really nice angle. I love this. There are some rocks on the slopes of this mountain, and they are pretty spectacular for photographers just to take shots from behind them, or videos like I'm doing. I just had to step over not to fall down. So this is Volcano today. You see there is much less lava in the crater than previous days that I was here. Volcano definitely slow it down. As you see, much less activity now. But we have those explosions. It's kind of struggling for survival before it dies. Maybe those are the last gasps before it switches off in a few days, or maybe if it keeps slowing down this speed, it doesn't have much to live. If lava output drops below 3 cubic meters per second, it's over. It can't continue erupting if it's below 3 cubic meters per second. That's what volcanologists say. It was at 5, so it's very close to that limit of death. It's kind of sad, of course, for all the volcano lovers, because there is a big following behind this volcano, big community which follows volcanic eruptions in Iceland. So it's like the loss of the baby. But there might be another eruption if it stops. That's how it looks today, Iceland, in the evening at 8:30 in the evening. Pretty nice weather, and people going down the mountain is not very easy because of lots of sand. And there was overspill here into this valley. Lots of burnt terrain. You see huge burnt terrain around the volcano. Everything looks not very fresh, burnt, but not very actually big burnt terrain. But they stop it spreading to the east because it's they work it there, they stop it, but here they didn't, so it's kind of spread more to the west now. So this is how Volcano looks from the slopes of the mountain. Let's zoom again. We'll get high, get a different angle, viewing angle. All the best to you.